If you are watching this video, it is most likely because you are sick of splitting your plastic when trying to punch or drill a hole through it. The best way to prevent splitting or cracking is to push a hot rod or pipe through the plastic by melting it. For small holes, a straightened out metal coat hanger works well, and for larger holes like these, a steel pipe works great. Just heat the end of the rod or pipe in an open flame for a couple of minutes, then carefully hold a bit of pressure onto the plastic to create your holes. If you are doing a lot of holes, then you will have to return the rod to the heat every now and then to keep it running smoothly. Our snake was growing out of his last box, so it was time to invest in a larger container.
Our snake loves blueberry trees. No matter whereabouts in the yard he is, he always makes his way over to them.
I hope this how to put holes in plastic without splitting it video was helpful to someone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.